That's the most important thing. And even more so for a nonprofit, because you have a mission, you have a goal out there, and it's important that whoever you work with also is in alignment and sustains that, because you don't want to tarnish what you're doing, because it could have a blowback on your ability to continue raising funding. So let me take you through real quick what it means to get ready to license, okay? Now, this first part is the part that I talked about earlier on about you identifying what you have. You're a nonprofit. You absolutely have intellectual property. First thing you got to do is you've got to sit down and figure out what that intellectual property is. It's called an IP audit. An IP audit is just a fancy term for taking a spreadsheet and putting down there a list. Do I have copyrights? Do I have trademarks? Do I have know-how? Do I have trade secrets? Any and everything. Even if you're not sure it's an intellectual property, stick it in that spreadsheet. Because the second thing you're going to do is go through there and say, okay, if this is intellectual property, do I have it protected? Okay. Can I package it up? And is it licensable? That's called a licensing assessment. That's the second thing you do, is figure out, is it licensable? And in most cases, depending on what you have, it can be licensable.